I had to take my dad to a dermatologist for skin cancer treatments. He should have been wearing a hat all these years. It made me realize that I'm already seeing damage to my skin caused by the sun.
There are many reasons to consider having a cosmetic skin procedure. And while there are plenty of providers offering these types of services, more people are choosing dermatologists for some very important reasons.
I made an appointment for myself and learned about all of the different skin rejuvenation options to bring out my best and provide the most natural results.
While dermatologists are trained to provide the best and most natural results, those who are members of the American Society for Dermatologic Surgery, ASDS, have actually pioneered many of the most popular cosmetic procedures and techniques used today. They have the training and expertise to offer a variety of options to best meet your needs.
It's comforting to know our ASDS dermatologist supports skin health and beauty through every stage of life.
With thousands of members worldwide, there's sure to be an ASDS dermatologist in your area. When it comes to a range of options, safety, and natural results, you deserve an ASDS member dermatologist.